Is your Vauxhall Vivaro alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door latch contacts and the bonnet switch. These components act as sensors, triggering the alarm when they detect an open door or hood. Start by visually inspecting each door contact for corrosion, misalignment, or damage. Use a multimeter to test continuity. A reading of 0 ohms or very high resistance indicates a faulty switch. The bonnet switch, located under the hood, should also be checked for wiring damage or switch failure. A quick fix can involve cleaning the contacts with electrical cleaner or applying dielectric grease. If issues persist, replacement is often necessary. Refer to the Vauxhall Owners Network forums for specific part numbers and DIY guides. Replacing these parts are generally cheap, costing around £50. If your Vivaro alarm is still malfunctioning after checking the sensors, a reset might be required. Begin with the simplest method, using your key fob. Try holding the lock button for 5 seconds, then opening and closing the doors. This resolves the issue for many users. If that doesn't work, a temporary battery disconnect, 10 to 15 minutes, can sometimes reset the alarm module, but be aware that this might erase ECU settings on newer models. For more advanced diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner to read error codes. Modern Vivaro's 2024 to 25 facelifts allow access to alarm error codes via apps like Vauxhall Connect or third-party scanners like OBD Link. If these steps fail, a professional diagnosis is recommended, as misdiagnosed alarm faults can lead to costly replacements. Remember that some issues were caused by ECU faults. If this is the case, visit the dealer for a free reset procedure.